The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 is the pinnacle of luxury and performance, combining the sportiness of the SL class with the opulence of Maybach. Under the hood, it boasts a handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, producing an impressive 604 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. Power is sent to all four wheels via a 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless acceleration and a refined driving experience. On the exterior, the SL 680 stands out with its exclusive Maybach grille, intricate chrome detailing, and an ATE extended soft-top roof that adds to its elegance. The signature two-tone paint options further distinguish it from the standard SL models. Multi-spoke Maybach wheels and refined LED lighting elements enhance its commanding presence on the road. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that defines automotive luxury. Napa leather, hand-finished wood trims, and Maybach-exclusive quilting create an atmosphere of sophistication. The Burmester 4D surround sound system provides an immersive audio experience, while the MBUX infotainment system, with its massive touchscreen display, ensures seamless connectivity and intuitive controls. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats offer unparalleled comfort for both driver and passenger. Driving the SL 680 is an experience in itself. Adaptive air suspension and rear axle steering provide remarkable stability and agility, making it as enjoyable on winding roads as it is on long highway cruises. The latest driver assistance features ensure a safe and effortless journey. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 is more than just a convertible. It's a statement of exclusivity, blending performance, technology, and luxury in a way only Maybach can. Whether cruising along the coast or pulling up to a red carpet event, this grand tourer sets a new benchmark for elegance in open-top motoring.